Hello guys, Wood is back, and this is my second topics for this week, week 4, for the class CIT 261, and I'm going to talk about in this video manipulating CSS class properties using JavaScript. But it is a very large topics, but we are going to talk a little bit about it, and that's it. So yeah, as I said, I am Woody Ravlin, and this is for the CIT 261 class, and this is the topic's name: manipulating CSS class properties using JavaScript. And we are able to do that with the HTML DOM that's allow you to manipulate the CSS and changing the background, have a button that you can click on the button and change the color of a text. This is what what we can do with JavaScript in the HTML DOM. So this is the syntax, and we are going to see a demonstration about that. First of all, let me show you this is the file that I used to show what I did for the topic. And we have to put our function in the script. This is the opening tag script, and this is the closing tag, and this is my function. Okay, and in this I'm going to show you when I select a color, like if I select the blue color, you will see the background change to blue, and if I select the purple, and you will see the background change, because in my function I said when I click the value, that will show me what value that I have. So for example, in this line of code, the value is blue. Okay, so and for this button, so you will see this button change the color in black. This is the button for this. When I click on the button, you will see the text that say change me only will change. By default, the text, the color will change in black. So we can change that. Put any color we want. So like black, blue, whatever. So okay, so let me open my browser and go to my repo. This is the repo is woodyravlin1.github.io. I click enter, and as I always say, I have two links to go to the topics, which are one here and one here. Both are working. So if you see, okay, so the topics next is manipulating CSS class property using JavaScript. And when I click on the link, on this link, yeah, and you see, if I click by default the color is orange. Yeah, they changed me only because I have my style sheet CSS, my CSS file, have this color by default. It's connecting with the manipulating file. Okay, so if I click on select a color, you will see this is the blue background, the purple, the pink, and the gray. So you already see the when I choose a color, this text still have the same color as the default one. If I refresh the page, you see, okay. So if I click on this button, the text change me only will change to dark, I think, yeah, to to black. Yeah. So if I change, text still have the black color. Okay, and the gray. Okay. If I want to go to the topic links, just click on this, and you go to the topic link. Okay, guys, this is my presentation for the manipulating CSS. As I always say, this is an introduction, but I will have to master those topics each day to understand what it works better, and to maybe at the end of the course to create a project. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and see you on this kitchen blog.